Welcome back to my channel, or if you're watching me for the first time, hello. My name is Mary from Wonder Beauty and I teach skincare basics for beginners. So, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I make new videos. Today we're going to be talking about AHAs. If you've been following my videos, you'd know that I recently started a playlist titled Skincare for Beginners or Skincare Basics. I think it was Skincare Basics. Yeah, Skincare Basics. So basically that playlist is about walking you through the steps of starting up a skincare routine step by step. That's like a walkthrough on the skincare steps, starting from cleansing. So I've talked about cleansing. I talked about how to cleanse, the steps involved in cleansing, and basically just everything you need to know about cleansing. If you missed out on that video, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Then also I have talked about exfoliation, in which I told you that there are two types of exfoliation, which is the chemical and the physical. So I thoroughly explained that in the second video in that playlist. I'm also going to be leaving a link to that video in my description. So in my description you're going to be getting the first video in the playlist and the second video in the playlist. So this video is like a continuation of the second video, which is the exfoliation video. This video titled AHAs or Intro to AHAs is going to be explaining to you what AHAs means and types of AHAs, advantages and disadvantages. Basically I'm going to be giving you everything you need to know about AHAs in this video. So let's begin this video. What is AHAs? AHAs simply mean alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acid, and it is a kind of acid under chemical exfoliation that helps in exfoliation. It also has, that's its basic use, to exfoliate, but it also has other advantages I'm going to be explaining to you in a little bit, but let's take it slowly. Now, these AHAs can be found in different skincare products, ranging from your cleansers to your toners to your serums and even to your moisturizers. So they are not limited to anyone, they can be in either of these. Coming to the importance, I told you we'll be getting to that. Now, the importance of AHAs. Importance number one, or use number one. First of all, exfoliation obviously is going to help you to remove the dead skin cells from your skin, from the top of your skin, so that the new ones can have the light of day. Now, the second important or use is that it helps you prevent breakouts. Now, one of the major causes of breakouts is clogged pores, and clogged pores can come from dead skin cells clogging your pores, thereby causing you to break out. So, when you use these AHAs to exfoliate out the dead skin cells, then you would have reduced your chances of breaking out by like a lot. So, that is one of the uses. Another use is that it helps to brighten your complexion. Of course, definitely, just as it helps in exfoliation, it's going to help in brightening out your complexion, because when the dead skin cells that have probably had been sunburned or gone through different traumas are out, the new ones that are brand new, that are soft, that are shiny, that are plumpy. Is that plumpy now? Plump? That's odd. The new cells that definitely look happier and younger are going to definitely be brighter, and that's going to generally make you look brighter, and so that's how AHAs can brighten your complexion. Then lastly, it helps or boosts your your skin product absorption. It helps your skin to absorb your products more. When there are dead skin cells on your skin might not be able to get the best out of the product you apply on it. But when you use your AHAs on your body, when you use AHAs to exfoliate, it's going to help your skin, it's going to help remove that rough barrier or that dead skin cells that may be causing a barrier between you and your skincare product, that may be causing your skincare product not to get absorbed into your skin quickly. And so now, it being removed, your body or your skin can get the best or the most out of the products that you apply. So those are the importance of AHAs. Now, there are a lot of AHAs available. Out of those lots that are available, about 7 of them are popular or are quite known. I'm going to be listing it, you're going to be seeing it on the top of the screen. But among these, There are two that are very popular, especially in the skincare industry. You're going to be seeing them. You probably must have seen them one place or the other, in a skincare product or in a cleanser or in a toner or in a moisturizer, and that is the lactic acid and the glycolic acid. The lactic acid is gotten from milk, while the glycolic acid is gotten from sugarcane. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of AHAs. The disadvantage of AHAs is that, by the way, one of the major advantages of AHAs is that it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles by exfoliating the skin, taking out the top surface, the dead skin cells. It can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So now the disadvantage of AHA is, one, it makes you photosensitive, and that just means that whenever you use AHAs, you have to really apply your sunscreen. That's if you're going out, or if you live in a house with big windows where the sun can easily get in. Also, if you're new to AHAs, it might cause you what is known as skin purging. That's your skin just reacting to the products being new and increased cell turnover. I'm going to make a whole video on that. So that's why you need to turn on your notification bell. Turn it on right now if you're yet to do that, and if you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, because I'm going to be making a video on that too. Skin purging, you're going to understand what that means. Also, it can cause you eczema, that is especially for sensitive skin. That is why it's advised that if you have sensitive skin, you should be using the lactic acid, or you should skip AHAs in total and just use PHAs. PHAs meaning polyhydroxy acid, and that's the one that's really meant for sensitive skin. But we're going to be getting to that right now. We're just in the first, which is AHAs. Yeah, before I conclude this video, how much AHA should you be using? If you use it in a toner or in a cleanser, that is something that you're going to be using every day, you shouldn't be using more than 5%. But if you're using it in a serum whereby you can control it, you can use it like 2 or 3 times in a week, then you could go up to 10%. My personal favorite is the lactic acid from The Ordinary. That's the one I personally use. There are other forms of lactic acid that go over that 10%. They get up to 50%. I have personally seen a 55%, but that is a pill. It's supposed to be used as a pill and not a serum or a cleanser or a moisturizer or a toner or any of that. It's meant for just being a pill. How long before you start expecting results when using AHAs? It ranges from immediately to about 3 weeks. That means that you're going to start seeing results from the first day you start using it, going to 3 weeks. Definitely before that, you will be seeing these results or these advantages that I have spoken about. So that's all about it for this video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, letting me know that you like it. If you have questions, suggestions, and additions to this video, because I am not an expert, I don't know everything, and I also love hearing your thoughts, you can leave it in the comments. Let's start a conversation over there. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Mary from Wanted Beauty. Until my next video, stay beautiful. Bye.